we said that we will go away from giving dates, so I won't be doing this today also, but some major milestones are pretty much just around the corner. I would say that something might appear even tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Okay, so we are working on backend for the game. It's pretty much done. So the next step for us is public beta. It will be launched in coming days or in coming week. A lot of upgrades in the game, according to the feedback that we got from you guys. So this is the first thing. There will be a leaderboard in the game, so you will be able to compare your results. So the mechanics will work. There won't be rewards, but the mechanic will work. This is the first thing. LP staking is ready. It will be launched in coming days or a week. We are just testing it. We are also building up. We started building NFT staking. There will be a passive gameplay. We will release some details very soon. We were saying last time that we will be releasing new roadmap and the whole vision for the Mooniverse, and we are working on it. We introduced new project manager today to the project, so there will be one more. There will be one more person joining us, Pavel, who is a project manager. Yeah, so these are like main things. And new roadmap and the whole vision for the ecosystem will come in October. We already started working on the second game. So we will be also showing it in the coming weeks, like in terms of the vision and in terms of some preview of the visuals. The second game will be a multiplayer game. So this is probably very cool to know. Like it will be a competitive game, so you will be able to compete against other MoonieNFT holders. I guess this is like the summary of most important things. Clay, did I miss anything?
No, that's great. That's great. I think you covered a lot there. I guess let's get to the questions. If you see
Yeah.
under General tab, we have the October 13th AMA questions.
Give me a second. I will just check my list whether we talked about. Did I say everything that I wanted to say?
What's the conference in Dubai called for anybody who might be attending and might want to speak with MoonieNFT?
So the conference that is happening right now. Sorry, I don't actually know the name. That's funny. But the second conference that we will be also joining is JITEX Global. It starts on 17th of October, and it's happening till the 21st of October.
And that's in New York, correct?
No, that's in Dubai.
Oh,
That's
it's in
in
Dubai.
Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so on the questions, sorry, I'm looking for it. October, yeah. Can you hear me still? Okay. So the first one, I'm expecting news about roadmap update. So I covered it. It will be in October. 3D game information. Once we will deliver 2 or 3 games, two or three games, arcade games, simple arcade games. Then if we will prove that this kind of play to earn model is working, we will introduce 3D game. LP staking update, I gave it. Beta testing game studio status updates, yes. In terms of rewards, after public beta will be finished, we will give rewards. Gleam.io, we did an announcement today about it. Astronaut program updates informations. Clay, can you give some update here?
Yeah. So we are still reviewing your applications, and you can expect our first helpers and artists to be onboarded by either the end of this week or the beginning of next week. So pay attention to your emails. We'll be sending out emails to those who we accepted in, and we'll be glad to have you on the MoonieNFT community team.
Yeah, okay. We know that the team is working in the background and on different points in the project. We appreciate the weekly AMAs, okay, fraction community. Part of marketing should be also to provide a timely AMA summary and regular share progress outside of AMA via tweets. So, like, the question here would be like, what kind of progress? I believe that this is correct. Like some things should go smoother than it's going. This is why project manager is also joining us. Some things when we will deliver LP staking and we will deliver the first game with leaderboards. I think that some, I would say, sentiment will change. We are not marketing right now because we don't see like any point to do it, because like we would be spending money and we would be doing things like too early, I would say. There is no point in transparency and honesty play a major role here. Yes, obviously. There is no point in announcing a countdown for LP staking, but nobody knows how long it will run. Yes, that was a mistake. We run into problems with the development. It's the little tweets that keep community happy. Yeah, we are doing them. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, and our next step after releasing the first game is to focus on NFT staking. So I won't go into details right now, but this will be a passive gameplay where you will be able to use your NFT to actually choose some kind of activities that you would do for a shorter or longer period of time, and that they will result in smaller or bigger yield, and they will be connected with smaller or bigger risks for the Mooney NFT. So this is what I can say. I think that it will take at least a couple of weeks for us to deliver it, but once delivered, that will give like initial boost of value for the OG NFTs. Yeah. Yeah. keep more up to date on timelines and the progress the time is making. That's true. In the last update, you mentioned that you will introduce more Mooney types. Can you give a hint? What will be their utility? What's the necessity of creating more Mooney types? First, the necessity of creating more Mooney types is that we need to have a fuel for play to earn. Since we are giving like 80% of the income from the sales back to the ecosystem. The utility, so new money types will be so we were discussing this internally, and I feel, and I think that the whole team feels that we are now we need to focus on delivering the value to the current holders of NFTs. So we stopped a bit with the new types. We have them ready, like visually, like with descriptions, with the rarity and everything. We were ready to do it, but we want to slow a bit in terms of releasing them. How did the staking of the OG Moonies work? I gave you some hints just a moment ago. Is one of the NFTs removed in the process? Oh, sorry, stacking. Yes, the one NFT will be removed in the process. Do certain attributes impact the level of no? What happens after each round? Are the strongest Moonies burned here in the process, or they can be re-enter? They can re-enter the next price race. All Rocket OGs are, as I've read, kept for further launches, so they are not burned. Is that true? Which launches are we talking about here? If I understand correctly the question, if OGs survive like the race, yes, they are, and you will be able to use them later. When will price for Moonchest be adapted to the true MNY price tag? This week we talked with Umbrella about doing this automatic price. But yeah, like this is like one thing that we can start doing once LP is ready, because we are focusing on LP staking and the backend for the game. But for sure we need to adapt the price. For example, I have 20 OGs. I will be able to stake them all and get passive profit. Yes. How do I translate AMA into Russian? That is problematic. Will you do something to sell the last amount of OGs? Well, yeah. So we believe that once the game is ready and once we will reveal like the first play to earn pool, it will probably sell out very, very quickly. Also, for people to get less OG NFTs, will we still be able to stay competitive, or should we absolutely try to get way more OGs? So the whole platform and the whole project is about having at least one OG NFT. If you will want to, get level up your Mooney through stacking, then you have to have them, more of them. We will have some activities that will be connected to you having all types of Moonies, so OGs, normies, all of them. Then we'll allow something because of that. But this is like the answer about passive profit is very interesting. Yes,
Yeah, and
it is.
they're highly tradable as well. I mean, maybe we can speak. OpenSea and NFT Trade are both live and working, fully functional now.
OpenSea Matter. So we asked them to split our collection into two, so OGs and normies, and we also asked them to fix the images problem. Like some of OGs has frozen metadata by OpenSea, so we asked them to unfroze it. So hopefully they will do soon. Like we are pushing them again, like we pushed them about making our NFTs tradable. Does the rarity of OG have any bonuses or just cutie pictures? So currently there is no plan to do anything with the rarity in terms of the gameplay. But later on it might change. Like never say never. Okay, so we run out of questions. Will we have howling NFT markets? So do you mean like our own NFT market? Like, sorry, I don't know the word. Let me check. Yeah, I don't know. Like, what do you mean? Uh, yeah. So basically, we'll hear each other next week, and I'm positive that we will have like very different sentiment in the community because probably both LP staking and the game with leaderboards will be live in public beta. So yeah, I think that we can wrap it up
Yeah.
for today.
Yeah, and just stay tuned. Our roadmap is going to be coming this month, correct?
Yes, this month.
So that will. I know some of you guys have been stressing, wanting updates and timelines and stuff, but once our roadmap is out, you guys will be able to see all of it, and it'll be all there, one place, so you guys will be filled in. So thanks to everyone for coming to the AMA today. It's just a short one, but it was productive. We covered a lot. We will be hosting this AMA every Wednesday at 4 p.m.
Yes.
UTC. So, if you're not able to make it to, one of them, you can always come to the next one. And we will have videos uploaded of every AMA, so you can rewatch them if you missed something.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here and hear each other soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks, everybody.